Now in my opinion this car is very well built and organized under the hood and everywhere else, and it's gonna be relatively easy to take out the radiator from here compared to the other cars. So let's get started. First we've got the radiator fan. You've got the connector down here. Then you've got two clips, which I lost them for the moment. Next we've got this metal bar in front here, which is held on by two 10mm bolts on the sides. If you look down here, you're gonna see another 10mm. Remove it as well. And this piece of frame comes out. You can unplug the connector from the horn. You'll also have to lift the car and place it on jack stands, at least on the driver's side. Next, you have to go under the car and you will see the drain plug, which you have to twist, and the coolant will come out through that pipe down there. If you have a small pipe like this, it's a good idea to connect it to that nozzle. In that way you won't make a mess and the coolant will come out controlled. So you can easily twist this with a large flathead screwdriver. Also, I forgot to mention, here you might find a cover which you have to take it out. It's usually held on by this type of screws, which are rusted in my situation, as you can see, and the cover is broken. Also, while you are down here, you can disconnect the intercooler from the radiator. It's held on by this 10mm bolt on this side and on the other side as well. One is out. As you can see, now the intercooler is down and it's disconnected as well from the radiator, but you will see it better from above. Now we've got this hood release line, which is connected to this plastic bracket. Just release it from these three spots. Also this plastic bracket will come out. Now on top here you've got two 13mm bolts which holds the air condition condenser on the radiator. So just put your flathead screwdriver in there like that to stop the nut spinning, and that's how you can take out the bolt. And the air condition condenser can be apart like that. Next, just disconnect all the coolant hoses from the radiator. This one was already open, but usually you've got a hose clamp here. Then you've got two more hoses down there. As you can see, they are connected to the radiator. So let's remove these. So from this point you might expect coolant coming out from the radiator, because not all the coolant can drain. So be prepared with any recipient under the hoses you remove. So let's see, with a 7mm socket, let's remove this first hose. Now if you look from this side like that, you can see the second hose clamp. And now you can finally take out the radiator. And as you can see, the job is very simple, easy to remove, easy to work on. Even if you do a head gasket job, it's still a lot of work, but it's very easy to do all the steps. It's very easy to follow up the steps and do the job correctly. There is absolutely no design flaw in this car. I never discovered any major design flaw on this car. Okay guys, so that's how you remove the radiator from this car. If you are new to this channel and you have this Mercedes E-Class, go ahead and check out the other videos I made about this car. And click that subscribe button as well. It's free for you and it will motivate me to make a lot more videos for you guys in the future. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.